Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Kevin, and today's video, Jillian and I came up to my parents in North Carolina last October for my dad's birthday. And for his birthday, he wanted to show all of us kids and grandkids how to operate his sawmill, how to cut trees into beams and beams into boards, and stack firewood and cut firewood. Before we get to that, I want to show you guys something. When I was in high school, my dad taught himself how to weld, and with his welder, he built himself a sawmill in the driveway of our house. So eventually that sawmill got loaded on a trailer and brought up here to North Carolina, and that's what they built a lot of the interior woodworking with for their cabin. So I'll go ahead and show you guys a little overview, and then the rest of this video is just gonna be clips from last October when we were all up here just messing around with it. Normally this is not on here, that's just here for the rain we're gonna be expecting, just to keep the rain off the engine. But we have a 13 horsepower engine, and that's on a metal frame, and that frame is on pulleys, and those pulleys ride on this channel right here, and that's how you push the sawmill back and forth to cut the boards. You have two large rollers right there. You have one band right there that goes around, and that's what cuts the boards. Now you see right there, that is a repurposed boat winch, and that's how you lift and raise the saw itself.
I can't see what about it. They're selling for $5. They're selling 3-4 sticks of wood. I think we're giving them like 7 for $5, so they're getting the deal. But it's funny, they're not reserving that much. Like there's one camper that got 3 or 4 mud holes a month. get it to move. Like butter.
It might need to be a couple of times just because it ran out of gas. So.
One of you should USB.
So I hope you guys enjoyed all those clips. That's just a little glimpse of what my family likes to do up here in the mountains of North Carolina.